This 2008 Honda Odyssey is brought to you by Premier Motors, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Honda is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, 6-liter engine, and has 64,075 miles. Reliable 2008 Honda Odyssey, family-friendly, spacious, and priced to sell. Your adventure awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.